Hi, I'm Tracy Prentice of Montague, Massachusetts, and I'm going to show you how to create a brochure using Microsoft Word 2007. Word makes many brochure templates available to you to make your job easier. To get started with a brochure template, click on your Office menu button, and then click New to display the New Document dialog box. From the list of categories on the left, choose Brochures, and you will see all of the different brochure designs available to you. When you find one you like, selected, click on Download, and a new document based on that design will be made for you. There is text in the template to help guide you. You would replace the standard text, such as company name, with the specifics of your brochure. There are graphics for you already. You may replace those with your own, as well as changing the text to be text specific to your event. The brochures are set up so that when you print them, you can tri-fold them and hand them out. You're ready to print and save once you've replaced the text, and that is how you're going to make a brochure in Microsoft Word 2007.